YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a popular finance app that's been making waves in personal budgeting. But before you commit, here are 12 key things you should know. If you're wondering if it's the right tool for you, this will give you the clarity you need. So let's dive in. First things first, YNAB is great at helping you allocate every dollar, turning budgeting into a proactive exercise. Unlike other apps that track spending after the fact, YNAB focuses on giving every dollar a job in advance. This approach helps you manage your cash flow with more control. Next thing, YNAB has a subscription fee. Unlike apps that offer free services, YNAB costs about $14.99 per month or $98.99 annually. Some might find this a bit pricey, especially compared to free apps like Mint or Pocket Guard, but if you're serious about budgeting, this investment could be worth it for its robust features. The third thing to know is that YNAB isn't just an app, it's a budgeting philosophy. The method it uses is called the 4 Rules, designed to help you get ahead in budgeting. It focuses on giving every dollar a job, embracing the reality of budgeting, rolling with the punches, and aging your money. These rules are the foundation of the app and can transform the way you handle finances. The fourth thing is that YNAB supports a zero-based budgeting system. This means you assign every dollar to a category. While this might seem restrictive, it ensures you're intentional about where your money goes, leaving little room for waste. Next thing, the app syncs with your bank accounts. YNAB allows you to connect your bank accounts and credit cards, helping you track your transactions in real time. However, some users report occasional syncing issues, so this might be a deal breaker if you need 100% seamless integration. The sixth thing to note is that YNAB offers great educational resources. If you're new to budgeting, the app has a ton of tutorials and support materials to help you understand the system. They even offer free workshops, so you're not left in the dark about how to maximize your budget. The seventh thing is, YNAB's mobile app is top-notch. You can manage your budget on the go, which is ideal for people who like to track spending in real time. This is something that many competitors like Mint lack, as their mobile apps can be clunky at times. The eighth thing is that YNAB doesn't track your credit score. Unlike apps like Mint, which show your credit score, YNAB is focused purely on budgeting, so you won't find credit score tracking or financial product recommendations. The ninth thing, and perhaps a make or break for some, is that YNAB doesn't offer bill reminders. You won't find a way to get reminders for upcoming bills within the app. This is something some other budgeting tools like Pocket Guard offer, so you'll need to find an external solution if bill tracking is crucial for you. The 10th thing is that YNAB does allow for multi-device syncing, which is helpful if you're budgeting across multiple platforms, like a desktop and a mobile device. You can seamlessly access your account from anywhere, ensuring you stay up to date no matter where you are. The 11th thing is YNAB's customer service is top tier. Many users rave about the helpful support team who are quick to assist and really know their stuff. This is an area where many competitors, such as Mint, can sometimes fall short, with users reporting slow response times. The 12th and final thing is that YNAB integrates with other tools. You can connect the app to services like PayPal and various banks, making it easy to bring all your finances together. But if you want additional features like investment tracking or automated savings, you might need to look at other solutions like Personal Capital. In conclusion, YNAB is a solid budgeting tool with a lot of valuable features, especially if you're looking for a proactive approach to money management. However, if you're looking for something that covers all bases, from budgeting to credit score tracking, or if you want a free option to try, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free